Welcome to the Trek Online Store How It Works tutorials. In this session, we will discuss the links available under the Resource tab. Click on your Resources tab, and you'll see three items that come up here. The first is your new credit application form. You need to fill in everything that has a star and hit the Submit button. Pretty simple. The second item is a customer maintenance form. This is for customers that already exist, that already have accounts. Click on the customer maintenance form, and you can see here you can change, you can increase your credit limit. Just like the other form, you need to fill out everything that has the red star. Hit the Submit button. The third tab here is your warranty claim request form. This one's a little bit more in depth. As most of you have probably been familiar with filling out warranty claims before, the information must be very complete. Everything that has a star must be filled in. The more information you give, the easier it is to process the warranty claim. Your contact information, the part information, the purchase invoice number, the invoice date, the part received date, it was installed. Over here you'll see your hours and your wear percentage. I want to draw your attention to this little blue flashing important instructions here. Click on that. That will give you more information on how to submit your claim for each product group. If it's a track link, what information they need. If it's a roller or a carrier roller, what information they need and where to look for your codes. A complete picture of all items. Say if you have one sprocket, you would take a picture of one sprocket. If you have two sprockets, you would take a picture of two sprockets. And idler is the same thing. You want your code here. Your damage, picture your damage. The logo that's visible that says DCF on it or Trek. And on rubber tracks, there's actually a serial number that can be located on the inside of the track. Sprockets are a little harder to identify. What you want to do is you want to look for a logo and get the best possible picture you can find. Add your pictures, and you're in this area. You browse your own hard drive, wherever you have your pictures loaded. You download the pictures on this form. Make sure you fill in your application, your soil type. Like I said, the more information, the better. You hit the Submit button. Please do not send items back to Trek unless they're requested. Thank you. I hope this information was helpful. Please join us for other tutorials. And as always, we have customer service representatives ready to serve you at our 8 U.S. locations and another 3 in Canada. Thank you.